And I guess they're having a hard time selling winter clothing on a day like this.
Around here, anyway. Yeah. Other parts of the country, I'm sure, doing very, very well. We've been lucky. We've dodged these paralyzing winter storms that have impacted the nation from west coast to east coast here over the last couple of weeks, and parts of Europe. I'm sure you've been hearing all about that as well. Here, it's been a typical La Nina winter. We'll get a cold front every few days and a couple of chilly nights and then big warm-ups. In fact, this is even well above warmer than average La Nina day. 73 degrees out there right now. And out in the hill country, we have seen readings today as warm as 85 degrees. And I think tomorrow we will top 80 degrees here in Austin. And then Wednesday will be warmer than usual. Thursday, probably 2, though we will see a cold front come in on Thursday to drop temperatures back down to average or below as we head into Christmas. That's good. Who wants an 80-degree Christmas morning? 65 degrees tonight is our 8 p.m. planning forecast, and at 10 p.m. only in the low 60s with skies beginning to become cloudy. That's why I mentioned the eclipse a little while ago. And if you have a view of the moon tonight after 12:30 a.m., take a look. That's when the shadow of the Earth will be cast onto the moon. And then about 1:40 a.m., that's when the moon will be entirely covered by the Earth's shadow. But if you live in Austin, in the metro area, in our eastern counties, I really think at that hour we'll have low clouds that have likely formed and may completely block the view of the moon. Potentially it could come a few hours later, that low cloudiness, but I noticed this morning we were overcast by shortly after midnight. Now in the hill country, you're a little later to get that low cloud coverage, so you may get a little better view of that eclipse late tonight, early in the morning. Incidentally, 1638. That was the year, 1638, 372 years ago, that a total lunar eclipse fell on the night of, or the day of, the first day of winter, the winter solstice. That's what tomorrow is, first day of winter. It's not going to feel like it, though. 73, and skies are mostly clear right now out at the airport. It is mostly clear in 74 degrees, a south wind at 8 to 14 miles per hour, and you have until 5:35 tonight before the sun goes down. Mole count at 956, medium. Cedar beginning to show up now on a regular basis at a low level. 39 is the count today. That's not too bad, but if you're susceptible to cedar allergies, just a little bit can kind of get you going. And so our cedar season, it looks like, has begun now. Medium on the mole tomorrow and low cedar again. Temperatures around Texas, look at this warm air. We're not alone. It's surged all the way up into Oklahoma, 69 in Oklahoma City, 68 degrees in Amarillo. Low clouds this morning did give way to sun, but we're seeing some high cloudiness come in from the west, and this is associated with that big winter storm. If you paid attention to the news over the weekend, you've heard a lot about this storm. Feet of snow expected in mountainous areas of California, avalanche dangers, flash flood, mudslides in the lower elevations because of all the rain that is continuing. And they're going to continue to see this until Wednesday. This is a big story. But it's that same storm that's drawing in this unusually warm weather to Texas. And that's not going to change until that storm kicks out midweek. So we will have morning low clouds the next few mornings. We'll continue to see unusually warm days right on through probably Thursday, but then colder by Christmas. Not only by Christmas, it'll be turning colder by early Christmas Eve, Friday, we believe. The lows tonight, very mild, 50s. High temperatures tomorrow up to 80 degrees or warmer. Tonight in Austin, 57. The low clouds form by midnight. Tomorrow we start cloudy, little fog, and then we warm to 80 in the afternoon as the clouds lift and we see some sun. At least 80. It could be warmer than that. Anything above 81 tomorrow will be a record-breaking high temperature. 77 on Wednesday. That front comes in late Thursday, just a slight chance of a shower, and then we're cooler Christmas Eve and quite a bit cooler Christmas Day. In fact, it'll be near freezing in many areas Saturday and Sunday morning.